To get this effect, add a background video to the timeline, then add text to the timeline. Stretch this text to the end of the video, then type your desired text in the text box. Select a font for it and increase its scale a bit. Afterwards, head over to the Glow menu under the Video Basic tab. Add a glow to your text and adjust the sliders as you require. Now create a compound clip of the text. Head over to the Effects tab and search for the backdrop effect. Drag and drop this effect onto the compound clip and make the compound clip again. This will provide a nice extra glow to the text. Now I'm going to zoom out my timeline, and I'm going to split the compound clip after 4 seconds. Now I'm going to move the playhead 1 second forward and going to split the clip again. I will split the compound clip 10 times for 1 second duration. Now I'm going to zoom in on my timeline. And I'm going to delete every second cut point I have created. By this, we create a cool flickering effect. Now I'm going to create 10 cutout points again. Play it and see what you have created.